Hello guys, this is Gajanan Khalse, a BTech first year engineering student of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies. Today's our topic for discussion is storage class in C. Let us see what is storage class. Storage class in C. Every variable in C program has two properties, data type and storage class. Data type refers to data of which type it is going to store, and storage class determine the scope, visibility and lifetime of a variable. Storage class are used to describe features of variable. These features basically include scope, visibility and lifetime of variable, which help us to trace existence of particular variable during a runtime of program. There are four types of storage class in C. They are automatic storage class, register storage class, external storage class and static storage class. Now let us see the first storage class, that is automatic storage class in C. In this class, the variables are declared inside the block and they are called automatic or local variable. They exist only inside the block in which they are declared. The keyword used for declaration of this variable is auto, and it has default value as garbage value. Now let us see the program for automatic storage class. In this program, in main, in first block we have initialized variable int equals to 1 using a keyword auto, and similarly for other two blocks. In third block we have printed the variable and closed the block, and similarly done for the other two blocks. Let us see the output of the program. As we see in the output, first number 3 is printed because in third block variable a has its value equals to 3, and we have sought that property of automatic variable that it has existence only inside the block in which they are declared. Hence the 3 is printed, and 2 and 1 are respectively printed for another two blocks. Now let us see the another storage class, that is external storage class in C. In this class, the variable are declared outside of the all function. These variables are known as external or global variable. They are accessible from any function inside the program. It has keyword extern and it has default value as 0. Let us see the program for external storage class. In this program, we have initialized the variable of data type integer n equals to 5, and then we wrote our main function, and we have also used another function called as display function. As we see in the main function, we have pre-incremented the value of n and then called the display function again, and the value is incremented and the latest value for n is printed. Let us see the output of the program. As we see that we have no need to declare this variable inside the block of main and in display function. It has got directly accessed without causing any error, as this variable has existence throughout the program are called as global variable. In output, the latest value of n7 is printed. Let us see another program for this external storage class. In this program we have two files, file 1 and file 2. In file 1 we have initialized the global variable, but in file 2 we have not done this. We used an keyword extern and accessed the variable in file 1 into the file 2. So in this way we can also use a variable from one file to another file using extern keyword in the external storage class. The another storage class is static storage class. In this class the keyword is used is static. It returns value throughout the program and also in between the function call. It has default value as 0. See the program for static variable. In this program we have used two functions, fun and main. As program execution always start with main function, in main function we have called the function fun. In fun function we have initialized the variable of data type integer using static keyword, and then we incremented it and printed in output. Again the main function is used, but this time the initialization step is skipped in the static variable class, and there is directly increment in previous value of a, and it becomes 12 and it is printed. Let us see the output. Now let us see the another storage class, that is register storage class. In this, the register keyword is used to declare variable. Register variables are supposed to be faster than the local variables. However, modern compilers are very good at code optimization, and there is a rare chance that using of register variables. Now let us see the program for register storage class. In this program we have declared three variables num1, num2 and the third variable using register keyword register int sum, and we have accepted the values for num1 and num2 using scanf function, and using formula sum equals to num1 plus num2 we have added two numbers and we have printed their addition. Now let us summarize all the four types using this chart. Automatic storage class. The keyword is used for this auto. Its life is within blocks, its visibility is local, its initial value is garbage. Second class is external storage class. Here the keyword is used exterm. The lifetime is a whole program, its visibility is global, its initial value is 0. The third storage class is static. The keyword used is static. The lifetime is whole program, the visibility is local, its initial value is 0. The fourth storage class is register storage class. Here keyword is used as register, its life is within the function block, its visibility is local, and its initial value is garbage. Thank you for watching the video.